The central and ergonomically located touchscreen provides a clear color view of functions and menus. There's no need to move your head back and forth because the screen is close to the sewing area. The drag and drop functionality is so accurate with the touch of a finger or touch pen. You can program the welcome screen of your BERNINA 830 with a special personalized message. Touch the setup icon, then the display icon. Touch the welcome text bar and a keyboard appears. Type in your welcome text. If you misspell a word, just touch the return arrow icon to delete. If you want to start all over, touch the text bar and the whole text is deleted. Approve with the green check and exit the screens by pressing the red X. The colorful and inspiring image on the screen can be changed if you like. Select from 13 different wallpapers by going back into the setup screen and touching the display icon, then the next page icon. Scroll through the wallpapers and select the one that best suits your mood for the day. Approve with the green check and exit the screen. Customize your BERNINA 830 with your own personal settings so you have the freedom to sew as you wish. In Setup, you can program the securing function, for example. Touch the Setup icon, then the Sewing Settings icon. Go to the next page. The external Auto Secure button on the head frame can be configured to your personal preference. Select from 2 securing stitch sequences, either stitching in place or small running stitches. Each sequence can sew from 3 to 6 stitches, whatever best suits your sewing application for your project. Then program the automatic thread cutter to cut both upper and lower threads after securing and lift the presser foot automatically as well. What a convenience! What's more, secure and cut anywhere you want on the spot. The auto thread cutter can also be programmed to sew securing stitches and cut threads in one operation, just by pressing the external thread cutter button on the head frame. Approve your settings with the green check and exit the screen. Before exiting the Setup menu, touch the display icon. The brightness of the sewing light can be decreased if desired by touching the minus to the right of the sewing computer icon or by turning the stitch length knob to the left to decrease to a minimum of 20% and to the right to increase brightness to a maximum of 100%. Touch Reset to go back to 100% full brightness. The excellent lighting system provides optimal light where you need it, around the needle area and over the free arm. When you turn on the sewing computer, straight stitch is always selected or active. Turn the multifunctional knobs to alter the stitch length. The altered value is indicated in blue, the default setting in gray. The numerical length setting is visible at the top of the bar. Return to the default setting simply by touching the stitch length bar or touch the clear icon to the right of the screen. The stitch width operates in the same way. The numerical value is visible at the left of the stitch width bar. Touch the stitch of your choice, either with your finger or with the touch pen provided in the accessories. The selected stitch appears in full view in the stitch altering area at the left of the display. Alter your stitch to your personal preference according to your sewing needs. It's easy to lose track of time when you're so captivated by the talents of your BERNINA 830. Set the on-screen clock with the current time and even set the alarm to remind you of other important activities. Touch the clock icon and a special screen appears. Select either military or AM/PM. To set the time, touch the plus or minus icons. Touch the alarm clock icon to set the alarm and type in a special message on the keyboard that appears by touching the message bar. Confirm with the green check and exit the screen. We are now in the Practical Stitch menu. To access other menus, like the Decorative Stitch menu, simply touch the Decorative Stitch icon. Now access the Alphabet menu, the Buttonhole menu, the Quilt Stitch menu, the Personal Program, and so on. As default, the straight stitch is always active or blue when you turn on your 830. Each stitch has a default tension setting, set in the BERNINA Sewing Machine Factory for normal sewing applications. The tension for any selected stitch is easily altered by touching the thread tension icon and turning the multifunctional knobs to the left to reduce the tension or to the right to increase the tension. The red upper and black lower threads are depicted graphically in the middle of the screen, which helps to visualize what is happening to both threads as the tension is being altered. Confirm with the green check and exit the screen. The numerical tension value is always visible in the thread tension icon. Every alteration you make to the selected stitch is visible in full view in the stitch altering area at the left of the screen, making it easy to visualize how your stitch pattern will look stitched on your fabric. Increase the stitch width and stitch length, for example. The alterations are effective immediately on screen.